In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove safe search on Twitter, now known as X. First, make sure you're logged into your X account in a web browser. You can do this on a computer or in a browser on your phone or tablet, but the layout I'll describe is based on the desktop view, which is usually the easiest to follow. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your X home dashboard. This is the main feed where you see posts from people you follow, recommendations, and trending content. On this page, focus your attention on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This vertical menu is where you'll find options like Home, Explore, Notifications, Messages, and more. In that left-hand column, look for the option labeled More. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Go ahead and click on More. When you do, a pop-up or small menu will expand with extra options that aren't shown by default. From this expanded menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you control most of your account, privacy, and content preferences. It will open a new settings page with several sections listed on the side. On the settings page, look for the section called Privacy and Safety. Click on that. This area controls what information is shared, how people can interact with you, and most importantly for this video, what kind of content you're allowed to see. Within Privacy and Safety, find and click on the option labeled Content You See. This section is dedicated to the types of posts, recommendations, and media that appear in your home timeline, search results, and other parts of X. On the Content You See page, scroll until you find a setting related to sensitive media. You'll see an option with a checkbox next to wording like Display media that may contain sensitive content. To effectively remove safe search and allow potentially sensitive content to appear in your results and feed, you need to click on this previously unchecked checkbox so that it becomes checked. Once the box is checked, your preference is saved automatically. From now on, X will show you media that may be flagged as sensitive instead of hiding or blurring it by default. You can always come back to the same setting and uncheck the box if you decide you want to re-enable safe search behavior in the future.